Now, the Indian accounting standards, how it comes finally and implemented to the companies. So process is what? Indian accounting standards, first of all, must approved by the Council of Indian Institute of Chartered Accountant. This must be approved. After the approval of the Institute of Chartered Accountant of India, it is sent to, this council will send to National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standards, sent to National Advisory Committee on Accounting Standard, which is known as NACAS, for approval. Means Council of Indian Institute of Chartered Accountants send it to National Advisory Accounting Standard for approval. And after the approval over here in this stage, it is sent for recommendation to Ministry of Corporate Affairs for their approval. Approval of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. After the approval of the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, thereafter this Indian accounting standards are notified in the official gazette of the government. Till date, the 41 Indian accounting standards are notified by the Government of India. Government of India has notified 41 Indian accounting standard till date. Now the government has notified that unlisted companies, those who are not listed in the stock exchange, unlisted companies with a net worth of under 500 crores, under means below 500 crores, net worth means assets minus external liability is called net worth, which is called capital employed. So if the unlisted company whose net worth is under 500 crores, below 500 crores, and urban cooperative banks with a net worth under 200 crores won't be required to adopt Indian accounting standard. It is not mandatory for them. They follow the previous Indian accounting standards. Is it clear? They follow the previous accounting standard, Indian accounting standard. If the unlisted companies whose net worth is under 500 crores and the cooperative banks, urban cooperative bank, not rural, urban cooperative banks with a net worth under rupees 200 crores won't be required to adopt Indian accounting standard. I am talking about this. They may follow the previous existing Indian accounting standards. Now see the difference between accounting standard and Indian accounting standard. Accounting standard and Indian accounting standard. So first point of difference is basis. Accounting standard is based on international accounting standard. It is based on international accounting standard, whereas Indian accounting standard is based on Indian Financial Reporting Standard, IFRS. Second is rules. It's based on rules based and it is principle based. It's a rules based, it is principle based. Third is language. The language of accounting standards are more technical, whereas the language of Indian accounting standards are simple and anyone can understand is clear language, in a clear language. Fourth, fair value. Here the assets are reflected at their historical cost, whereas the assets here reflected at their fair value, fair market value. Fifth is trust and reliance. Whereas the trust and reliance is concerned, it is not relied by the international investors, but Indian accounting standards are relied by all investors, including Indian and international both. Globally, it is accepted and reliable. Sixth point is your uniformity. Here the lack of uniformity, and it ensure uniformity. Indian accounting standard ensure uniformity, and here the uniformity is lacking. Multiple reporting, the seventh point of difference, multiple reporting. Accounting standards report in the different places, different way. The Indian companies and companies established outside the India, the reporting will be different. For Indian companies, reporting will be different if the branches and the factories or it is situated outside the country, outside the India, in somewhere the reporting will vary. So different reporting, multiple reporting. But whereas the Indian accounting standard, there is no as such multiple reporting, one single reporting, whether it is an Indian companies or it's a foreign company established outside the India. So it's a one single reporting. Indian accounting standard not reflecting multiple reporting. Its reporting is single reporting, whether it's an Indian or whether it's the company is established outside India. So whereas the reporting is concerned, accounting standard report multiple reporting. For Indian, its the reporting is different. For the company situated or established outside the country, for them the reporting will be different. For here, there is no as such difference. The single reporting system will be followed over here. Okay, this is the difference between the accounting standard and Indian accounting standard.